fresh soap. I went to work and I came home and I smell like fresh soap. Why is that a problem? I worked about 8 hours, maybe 9, plus the travel to and fro, clogged up the Georgia traffic. But I smell like fresh soap. What's the problem? Is this a hiccup? It's a hiccup in the conversation. I don't know why. You want me to stink? Now, I don't know if it was old soap, if that would make it better. But because it's fresh soap, why is that an issue? Yeah, I know. I work about 8 hours and I smell like fresh soap. Is that an issue? And if so, why?
In 2 miles, take exit 34 for Georgia 5 toward Douglasville.
I don't have time for that. I got places to be. I got to do stuff. Life has changed for me. If I don't make it happen, it won't happen. So I don't have time to be talking about fresh soap. Where some people stink.